the brake cable guy called me back and had me pull this wheel off in order to look at where the emergency brake cable goes, which is, you can just barely see the end of it right there, and then it comes through the back of the hub right in there. And of course, if you could see behind here, you can see where that comes out right there. But when I pulled this wheel off, I was looking at it. It's got some writing on it I'm not terribly familiar with, and some of y'all might be. This is supposed to be a 57 Ford 9-inch rear end. It looks like it says AJ right there, 5, and it looks like there might have been a letter D or something there, but it's about beat off. And then it says RH, and then down here it says MW. So any of you Ford people who knows what that is or what that means, oh, just feel free to throw it in there just for general interest. This backing plate is not from a 55 Ford. It's from like an 84 Ford truck, I believe. Yeah. So anyway, there's all that. Okay, love y'all. See you, bye. Doing a little work to my floor. I got some big holes in the floor, and I'm going to try to close them up a little bit. And I'm doing it with some of this rubber mat stuff. See if I can use some of that to fill up the spots up under here. Oh boy. A little test drive. You know, it's a pretty good place to turn around and go back to my house. Usually if I'm going to blow something up, it'll be between here and there, you know.
Nothing did, I guess. That's good.
Yeah, it's doing great. I'm happier and happier with it. Y'all doing okay?
Yeah.
I'll get on. You got work to do, I'm sure. See ya.
I guess it'd be a good time to cut the grass. I thought it was going to rain earlier, but it didn't.
So maybe I'll just do that.